Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. MUAJAZMINE here, and you cannot hear anything that I'm saying, and this is a whole nother voiceover because your girl forgot to connect the new mic to the camera. And there is my mic box in the back. The mic is mounted and I didn't plug it in. So here is a video of me talking soundless. Okay, that's enough of that. Um, I was basically describing what I'm doing right now. I'm working on a whole Disney princess series where I was inspired to create some Disney characters, but as myself. So, how would that character look like if she was me? And I think this is a pretty dope look. As Princess Jasmine, I added a little blue to it because she has a blue outfit. I tried to do my wing as perfect as hers, and I filled my lips in her lip shape. But yeah, if you like to see this look, please keep watching, give it a thumbs up. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe because for my next video, I'll be showing you guys some cool self-care at home products that I got from Amazon that I love, that is helping me look super cute during quarantine. So, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, guys, so I wanted to talk to you about what I'm doing here because it makes no sense. Um, so to clarify, that is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation on the back of my hand, but I went ahead and I grabbed the wand from the Too Faced Concealer just to add a little bit more oomph to that foundation. I feel like this concealer is very hydrating, even though it doesn't do much coverage, but the foundation has the coverage, just not the finish that I was looking for. So I mixed the two. I didn't grab any extra concealer. I only took the wand out and I mixed the wand with it. It just gives a little tiny bit of extra, I don't know, coverage that I'm looking for at the moment. I'm a very big make the product work for your skin type girl, so you'll see a lot of different products and how I make it work for me. Again, this may not work for everyone. This is just how I wanted the product to work on this particular day. And I do that a lot. Just a little FYI. So everything kind of makes sense. For concealer, I'm going in with a shade that is true to my skin. And this one is True Beige, I believe. And then I take the lighter shade and blend that. I like to blend this way instead of just going in with the concealer that is lighter because it just provides, I feel like, more coverage before you go just a shade lighter. I sometimes tend to cover first and then go the shade lighter to highlight those areas. But I don't do this all the time. This is just a little something extra I like to add onto my looks when I'm feeling extra. I know this position is not the best for recording my brows. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a separate tutorial on brows, but I haven't found the time to do so or what exactly to say and how to describe how I do my brows because they're different every time. So you guys will see me use different brow products a lot, even though usually it's Anastasia because I always go back to her. This right here is the Dip Brow, and it is a little heavier than I would normally go because I was going for a very dark brow for this look. Now, I arched the heck out of that other brow because I have 5 stitches there, and where I have my stitches, my hair never grew back. So this brow, being the perfect beauty that she is, left the other brow hanging, and I always have to fill in the arch on the other brow. This brow is just, that's the way it is, you know? That's how we girls roll. We always got one good one, huh? So even though I kept this look super natural, I did wing out the shadows more than I normally would. I winged them out and upwards towards my brow, towards the end of my brow, just to give the liner more of a wing effect. I wanted to like change up my eye shape a little bit towards the end. I feel like Jasmine is known for her liner. In the cartoon, in the real movie, Jasmine just always has a very fleeky wing, and I feel like her eye shape is very winged too. So I was helping my eyes and looking a little bit more winged at the ends simply by dragging out the excess shadows towards the end and dragging them upward. So that is what you see right here. Okay, guys, this eyeliner right here is everything. This eyeliner has two ends. It has a thicker end and a thin end. And I am using the thicker end to create the line, but I am not taking it to the inner corner of my eye. I want it to be thicker from the middle to the end, and I want it to be thin in the inner corner, again to create the look that we're going for. Um, I have to play with my eye shape a little. Now, this liner makes it so easy to do that. Like, I don't have to pick and choose, oh, I like this eyeliner because it's thick, I like this one because it's thin. No, like this one, you got both.
and it makes it really easy for me. I literally just grab this. This is like my go-to thing because it gives such a perfect finish. I feel like it's not too matte and it's not too shiny, and it glides on so easily as well. So definitely recommend this one. This one is from Mettalusso. I will tag them down below so you guys can check them out. They're on Instagram. And now I'm using the thin side. You see, I used both sides. So I'm using the thin side now to kind of perfect the edges and make it a little bit more flicky. Does that make sense? Like you want to flick the end? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Flicking it, and that's it. Going into that inner corner and basically fixing any mistakes that I made with the fat end. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And that's why I love this guy. This guy's like my baby. Okay, we are lining the lips. I first like to follow my natural lips, but then I go a little over when I'm trying to create a different shape. If I'm trying to smooth out my peaks, I like to go over them a little bit to make them a little more round. And in the middle, I also try to connect them as much as I can. So I'm basically just looking at the picture, changing my shape to kind of go based off hers, but not overdoing it. I try not to outline too much because then you can notice it and it ruins the whole purpose of doing your makeup, at least in my opinion. Now, what I'm doing here is creating two deep dots with the liner, and um, what that does for me is kind of make them look more pouty, make you look like you're smiling, and yeah. Later we will blend that out, but for now I literally have two dots at the sides of my mouth. I am purposely leaving that gap in the middle of my lips. We are going to go in with a lighter color in there, so don't worry about that. And after, we will be blending them two dots away, I promise. And that completes this whole Princess Jasmine look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I love you guys. Hope you guys are all staying safe. Bye.